National People's Party nag NPP kalapelong da ka jingpen ko buram ya ki arngut ki MLA ki batma jong ka party kata yu ba penyat sing CM u badang sujop na kemaurung keneng constituency bat u Muhammad Abdul Saleh belajap na po ka Raja Bala constituency ha ka election chiteng semai na kaliang ka party kalapun ko buram langru yo kertong jong ka party na po mau plang u ba lam prang bla ha ka jinglang ka belalong ha phalau jong ka office trekam ka badon ha po la chumia shlong National President ke NPP ubadai ru Menteri Rongba haka Sorkar MDA Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha bakren ha kejingilang pen kuburam ula pen pau ya kejingkimen bad ulong ba ublei ula kerku saya ki arngut ki MLA ban pen klain chuchu ya ke parti bad kumju ya ke Sorkar ulai kublei ru ya boro ki nong trei ke parti ke bela ai ya kejingkersan ha ki babun kilang ban pentikna ban yo ya kejingjob bad kumju ya ki seng sain perthai ke baya sunrop lang ha ke Sorkar ke bela ai ya kejingkersan ya ke NPP ha maurun keneng Konrad ulaong bakani ke jingjob kade ke jing syania jongki pai ba ka jela ya ke Sorkar wat hapreng ke jing persang ban yalam bakla da kaliang persya bad benrap ba ka Sorkar kadang don bun kikam ha ka ban pendap Hago juga por ulaong bakam long ke besok banyo klun ye ki constituency ki bela job bed da ki MLA jong seng Congress ki badan mentah hak yang persya susu ulaong bakala bandai kapor ke belengkot nagam taki MLA ki batamai hendai ula benrap bakan num lengkot lada ki trei klam senge namar ki dangdon sakum basan spa sngi AA National Vice President ke NPP ubadairu sembut Menteri Rongba uba prestun tensong ulong baka jingjob jong ke parti kalong kebaklem poi perkhat bad benrap baka parti kandang job yang hak election house nem arajar arpulai kabakentup ya kamau plang constituency Hakani ke jingilang la yoru ya ka jingkren na uba penyat sing siem ubalaong ba watla kesa setang sisnem saunai hendai kum unong mikmat bat ke parti kin ai ke jingsikri ke babahatam hakani ke por ke belengkot bat unlum ya baro ginong trai ke parti ban penkre pat ya ke election arajar arpulai kenang ban pentikna ba ke NPP kan yo biang ya ke jingjob Muhammad Abdul Saleh ula penpau ya ke jing sngau sarong ban long udkhat jong ke NPP bat ulong ka Sorkar kabelayalam da ke NPP kalale sibun ya ki AGA nagamta ki pait ba jong ka Raja Bala hakaba kaladon ke jingkala habo ka Raja Bala namar ki kam jong ka Sorkar MDA bat ka pelong ya ke NPP bakan job ya ki election
I think the winning that we made this time was totally unexpected in spite of the fact that the allocation made by the opposition was so huge and people sometimes they were being carried away. However, my special thanks goes to the people of number 1, Raja Bala constituency, number 2, Maurangkenem constituency, and number 3, Mau Plang constituency. And these 3 constituencies, I'm telling you, next 23 election, general election, I'm sure we'll be able to come back victorious as well as Mau Plang constituency. Mr. Menteri Bla, I don't think he will lose hope. This is the first, in fact, the shortest inning, I should say. He joined the party on the 5th of October and then he contested election. Then it's a matter of few days, maybe 24, 23 days, he got time and he got 5,000 plus votes. So friends, when we go back from here, as I said to you, I think you must have seen the agenda. We went to the people, the voters in all the three constituencies. Our agenda is to serve the people of the state better. I think that is the agenda we have, and that's why we are here today. That's why we won 2 out of 3. So what I'm just telling all of you, reminding all of you is, we will keep it up, and whatever promises we made, we will try our best to accomplish it before 2023. So I request all of you, get maximum inspiration, be ready. Let us go to the people and we'll prove that we are here to serve the people of the state and to give discharge or duties for the people of the state the best services, whatever we could do. So,
first of all, I'm very grateful to our Heavenly God who is with us till this moment, and because of His blessing that we receive, that we could manage to carry on our preparation during the whole month of this October regarding this by-election in our constituency, Mawryngkeeneng. And I would like to thank our party leaders, MLAs, ministers, MDCs, and also party leaders who could manage to visit our constituency and help us in many meetings, and also to lend their support, especially in those times that we are in this by-election. I don't have anything to say much, but also thank our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and all the colleague minister in the MDA government, especially the NPP party, who were giving their time to come to our place and constituency, and also to seek the support of the public for our party. This term is left with only 1 year and 4 months. Personally, and with all our supporters, we will try to give our 100%. We'll try to give our best to serve the people of Mawryngkeeneng constituency and also to serve the state as a whole. And I request the assistant from the state government, especially the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers who are with our party, to please come and do visit again to our constituency and see that we could fulfill our aims and objectives that we already told the people of our constituency. We'll try our level best from our side again to gather and again to convene meetings with all the party members and all our supporters, so that in the coming general election 2023 we could retain the seat from the same party. And we are committed to work hard for the interests of the constituency and also the interests of the state. And once again, I would like to say thank you to all of you who have been great blessing for us, and also that we could manage to get victory in this by-election. With these few words, once again, thank you so much.
NPP government was so committed. Their hard work, NPP-led government has done. Therefore, they are blessed by the people of the state. As a result, we are here standing in front of you as a MLA. NPP 2 MLA, another MLA is from the government only. So, while campaigning throughout my constituency, Rajawala, I have seen huge support for NPP. That was the constituency never NPP has got. But this time, people have seen the development of Conrad Sangma's government's development has seen. They have seen the differences. What 3 years before the Congress-led government has done, and what after 3 years what Conrad Sangma-led government has done. Therefore, as a result, the effect has been seen. As a result, we are 2 MLAs in front of you. Thank you very much. Long live NPP. NPP will win 2023. Thank you very much.
We are all so happy and we feel blessed that God has blessed us with 2 more MLAs to strengthen our party and to take the work that we have started forward. So at the very outset, I would like to thank Almighty God for His blessings on our candidates and the blessings on our party and on this government. I would like to thank all the party leaders from all across the state who have, in one way or the other, today contributed to the victory of both the candidates who are here, as well as worked very hard for Ba Lamprang Bla, who has also, in a very short time, managed to garner those votes that he had received in the election. So I take this opportunity to thank all our party leaders, our party workers from across the state who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were victorious in this election. I also would like to thank the supporters of different political parties who have supported Bapanyat Singh CM in his elections, in his constituency. From across party lines, our coalition partners have also supported us and helped us. And I would once again take this opportunity to thank the family and supporters of both Ba Panyad and Ba Abdul Saleh, as well as Ba Lamprang Bla, who have really gone through a lot of challenges and difficulties while this by-election, in terms of the kind of pressure they went through and the kind of difficulties that they had to face, and yet they were able to bear it all and ultimately come out successful in this election. Friends, I don't have much to say. We have been speaking a lot during the election also, and even after the election we had a press conference. But I would only like to say that what our Honorable Deputy CM had mentioned in his speech, that this is again a mandate for the government. Clearly, the people of this state, in spite of all the negativity that the opposition has tried to bring in, people have seen through it. People have realized that these are all fake and false information, and people have voted in favor of the government, clearly reflecting that people are happy with the work that is going on. But obviously it means much more has to be done. So like Ba Rubin was mentioning in his prayer, and I totally agree with him, that we must be humbled by this victory. We must not be proud or feel that we have achieved the greatest, even though it was a very sweet victory for us, because both these constituencies were not the NPP's constituencies. They were from the opposition, and it's not easy for any party to be able to capture constituencies which are not yours. And as was mentioned by Mr. Abdul Saleh, not only Rajabala, even Morankning has never been a constituency where NPP has won. In fact, in both the constituencies, NPP has been in 3rd or 4th position every time. So it was a huge challenge. It was a very sweet victory, but we should be humbled by the victory. We should work harder as a party, and we should work harder as a government to ensure that we continue being committed to the people of our state. We continue being committed to the issues that matter to our people. We work sincerely and dedicatedly, and I can assure both the MLAs who have been elected that as a government, we will support and we will do our best to ensure that we are able to do whatever we can in this very short time of 1 year and 4 months. It may be short, but if we work hard, it's more than close to about 500 days. So there's a lot of work we can do in 500 days. 1.5 years looks very short, but 500 days is a long time. So let us try and not lose out even one day, and start the work that we're supposed to do for the people of Morankning constituency and Rajabala and the state as a whole. And once again, would like to congratulate both the candidates who have won and now are MLAs, and also Mr. Lamprang Bla, who has really given a very good fight and in a very short time managed to garner the votes. And once again, thank all the family members, all the party leaders for their dedication and their support and their hard work during these elections. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless our party NPP, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya.